All right, breaking now. eBay break number 14. Bowman's Best. 4-box. It's a new one for me, so see if we can get some good stuff. I burnt my thumb today, so it's a little tough using my blade. Reminds me of Absolute. 2 little mini boxes. My God, Bowman. Alright, let's try it out. Box 1. Let me know how the focus is, if the sound is alright. Playing around with a new mic, I think it definitely helps. Royal rookie. Benintendi rookie. Blackman. Our first auto. Quentin Holmes for the Indians. And Phillips rookie. Just 1 sec, gotta bring the stream up. All right. All right, Tucker. Moncada. Zimmer rookie for the Indians. And a Hank Aaron. Best cuts. That's going out to Atlanta. And right. Donaldson, Cabrera, Patrick Weigel for the Braves, Uriel for the Astros, and Rogers for the Rockies. I usually don't fly through things. I know a lot of guys love to just kind of fly through the break. You know, I go through it. I know I'm not shipping, you know, vet base, but we'll go through it a little bit. Senzel for the Reds, another auto. Ramos for the Giants. Clint Frazier. Oh, I see a good one on the back. It's another Phillips, Machado, Harper. Looks like a mirror image. Pollock for the Diamondbacks. And Robles for the Nationals. We'll have to random that guy. And a Royce Lewis. The Twins. Rogers. Right. Josh Naylor for the Padres. Bryce Harper, best cuts. And Lewis Brinson for the Brew Crew. Just 1 sec, guys. Alright. There we go. So yeah, like I said, I've got another one up right now, literally ending in a few hours. So hopefully everyone can get some good stuff, and then we'll keep going with the next one. David Dahl, rookie. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. And a refractor, Tristan McKenzie for the Indians. Josh Bell, rookie. Ian Happ, rookie. Jimenez. Carlos Correa for the Astros. Another mirror image. Rosario and Lindor. So that'll be for the Indians and the Mets. We'll random that. Corey Kluber. Hey, Trout. You ask and you shall receive. Judge rookie. Nice. Josh Bell rookie. More ink. Brett Phillips. It's going for the Brewers. Yu Darvish. Wonder where he's going to land. Another Kluber. Another Darvish. Dominic Smith. Oh, we got a nice one coming. Dominic Smith for the Mets. This is a cool one. Blake Rutherford for the White Sox at a 125. Nice hit. Hunter Renfroe. Another Hunter Renfroe. Alex Reyes. Carlos Correa. A refractor. Lewis Brinson. Is that numbered? I don't believe so. And Reyes. Rookie. Help me out here, Don. What am I calling out these cards? What did you get? You got in with the, you got the Braves. Nicely done. Brinson rookie. Royce Lewis. Clint Frazier. More ink. Hey, there's a good one. I haven't opened much of this stuff, but I know he's a hot item. Brendan McKay for the Rays. Out of 25. 15 of 25. Nice hit, Albert. And Carlos Correa. That was a nice box. Don't laugh at me, man. Come on. You're my boy. You gotta help me out. We're in this together. Alright. Box number 2. That was nice. Lots of ink in this stuff. You're doing great. I should mention to everybody, Don is my he's my AA partner. He helps me out. He encourages me, and I wouldn't have made it this far without Don. So unreal support. I'm gonna call Bowman and tell him to fix their boxes. These are ridiculous. Alright, Ichiro, another McKay, Justice Sheffield, Jim Tomei for the Indians, and Shane Baz for the Pirates. Swanson rookie, Meadows, Scherzer, another mirror image. Royce Lewis for the Twins, and Correa for the Astros. There's the guy, Gleyber Torres. That was the guy I saw the, it's a refractor? No. Yeah, saw him earlier. Pretty sick auto. I was scouting this stuff out. Alright, Rosario. Bregman rookie. Mayton. There's some more McKay ink for the Rays. Look at this guy. That is out of 99. Rays are hot. Rays are hot. Rizzo. Who you cheering for right now? Right, Don. Who's the hit? Who's your hit? Berger, Posey, Kimbrel, Verdugo, and Bryant. Alfaro, Asuna, Willie Calhoun for the Rangers, and a refractor to 99. Luke Weaver rookie. Nice one. And Daniel Murphy. Okay. Well, we got lots of chances left, so let's see if we can snag them. I want to see a Judge ink. I know I don't want to cheer for the Yankees, but McCutcheon, Trey Mancini rookie. More ink. Trevor Clifton for the Cubs. I think that's numbered. Nope, not numbered. And Paul Goldschmidt. Keston Hiura for the Brewers. Tapia. Joey Votto. Some more ink for the Indians. Francisco Mejia? You gotta help me out with these names. I like the design of the cards, though. These are nice. Refractor auto. And Sean Newcomb. That's a Brave. I think you're on the board already anyway. Willie Adams, Corey Seager, Jose De Leon. There's a refractor. Kevin Mayton for the Braves. Mayton. And Vladdy Guerrero Jr. Nice. Love my Jays. Alright, yeah, so it's a bit of a slow night. I had some stuff over the weekend. And I'll try to fill the weeks up. Just kind of spacing things out right now, getting a feel for it. You probably haven't seen much of me before. Kind of new to the game, but appreciate the support. Ryan Healy, raking rookies for the Athletics. Jose Ramirez for the Indians. I'll put the video up on YouTube if you missed the first part of it, like immediately after. This is all I have for tonight. So, Luke Weaver for the Cardinals. Some ink for the Yankees. Clark Schmidt. And Mackenzie Gore. Jose Altuve. George Springer, a couple Astros, Mark McGuire, best cuts for the Cards. Another mirror image for the Braves and for the Twins. Chris Davis. Gurriel. Glasnow for the Pirates. Bryce Harper. Baseball America, grade A+. I think so. Ken Griffey, best cuts refractor. Let's see, it's stamped with refractor and it's not numbered, but refractor nonetheless. And Charlie Blackmon. Cool. Some more good stuff. Alright, we got 2 left. And the other, this is the first half of the case. The other half will go tomorrow night. Box 3. And like I said, I will actually put more I'll put more auctions for this up, and they'll end. I'll open them the night they end. I know it can be kind of annoying having to wait a day. Definitely wasn't the intent to slow things up. It was just to I'm usually not up that late, but I felt it was the best time to end them, just to get more people involved, that's for sure. But yeah, I'll be breaking them the night they end going forward. So I'm sure some people will like that. Atomic. Oh, was it the Griffey? Okay. Alright, I'll get a handle of it. We'll have more of this stuff. Gotcha. Okay. Alright, Chris Bryant. Daniel Murphy. Francisco Mejia again. The name I cannot pronounce. Fucking sick cards. Sorry for the swearing. Corey Seager. Atomic. Oh, did I get it right? I think so. Still not there, but we'll go with Atomic. Rosario. Hey, what's up, D-Mac? There you go. Yeah, I did it. We did it, fam. Alright, Goldschmidt, Keno, Dominic Smith, all Mets. Another mirror image. Bellinger and Joey Votto. I wouldn't really call those guys mirror images, but Bregman, rookie for the Astros. Alright. Stanton, now a Yankee. Hassley. Whoa, sorry guys. Devers. Some ink, Danby Swanson. I like this guy. That one's going out to Don. Good job. Nice hit. Kevin Maton. They're like a hot... You picked the right team. They're like in... Yeah, like 2 cards a pack. Alright, Jansen. Kershaw. Rice Hoskins for the Phillies. Bryce Harper. Parallel at a 250. Refractor. And Berger. Jake Berger. Hey, D-Mac. Just breaking a 4-box of best. Quiet night. Quiet Monday night. This one's coming out of eBay. I got some more in the store. I'll go through these. Will Myers, Cespedes. I know somebody was looking for him. Groom. And a refractor or atomic bets. Refractor. Buster Posey. I'm not going to say what every other breaker says about Buster Posey. Tristan McKenzie. Syndergaard. Former J. Still sour about that one. Evan White for the Mariners. Some ink at a 50. Dustin Fowler for the Yankees. Nice one. Kimbrel. Anybody's interested, I've got a I'll have some limited coming in at the end of the week. It's fresh off the press. Rutherford, Luke Weaver rookie, Clark Schmidt, some more ink for the Braves, Kyle Wright. You're getting a little more than something. And Mickey Moniak. Alright, Springer, Barrios, Ken Griffey for the Mariners. Best cuts. Chris Davis at a 150. Trey Mancini rookie. And Gurriel, Glasnow, Jose Altuve, Tony Santillan for the Reds, and McCutchen. The now Giants? Alright, Alex Fieto, Francisco Lindor, Michael Kopech, and for the Red Sox, Tanner Hook. Tanner Hook. Some ink anyway. And Freddie Freeman. Joe Adell. Pavin Smith. Miguel Sano. Another mirror image. Benintendi. And Christian Yelich. We'll random that. And there's your man. Osuna. Ronald Osuna. Lamb. Victor Robles. Tyler O'Neill. Corey Seager best cuts. And Alfaro rookie for the Phillies. All right, last box. I like these products like Bowman's Best, Bowman Chrome, Optic. Some nice stuff. Just better quality. Who wants paper cards? Alright, let's get something sick out of this one. Alright, Moniak, Arenado, Jorge Mateo, Royce Lewis at a 250 refractor. Cano. Hey Randy, how's it going, man? Honeywell, McKay, Jeff Bagwell, best cuts, mirror image, McKay and Rizzo, and Stanton. All right, Barreto, Healy, Bellinger rookie, and some ink for the Blue Jays. Warmoth, Logan Warmoth. Warmoth? Nice ink. Adam Hasseley. Chapman, David Dahl, Mike Trout for the Angels. And that's a Lewis Brinson, best cuts at a 50. You can catch that at a 50. 18 of 50. Rafael Devers. Ian Happ rookie. Jimenez, another Trout. Benintendi rookie refractor. Nice one there. And Jansen. Another Judge rookie. Bell, Kluber, Justice Sheffield for the Yankees. Nice hit. Kershaw. What's up, man? Did you get in on this? Are you in the are you in this eBay break? Hunter Renfroe. Jesus Sanchez. My new favorite player. Mike Trout, best cuts. And Will Myers. Alex Reyes, Correa, Lewis Brinson. Mirror image for Clayton Kershaw and Brendan McKay. I don't think that's a refractor. No. I think that's the second one of those. Nope. McKay's in a few. And Cespedes. All right, Royce Lewis, Clint Frazier, Brennan Rodgers, and ink for the Diamondbacks, Pavin Smith. Jay Groom. All right, we're getting down to it. I think we got maybe some more ink left. One more. Kyle Wright, Brett Phillips, Mitch Keller, Raking Rookies. Why is it raking? Oh, okay, I get it. Raking Rookies, Ian Happ. And Tristan McKenzie. Machado, Harper, Betts, Aaron Judge, best cuts. And Syndergaard. Alright, last pack of the break. And we'll go through those randoms as quick as I can. Chris Sale, Senzel, Donaldson. And for the Brewers, Keston Hiura. Some more ink there. And Evan White for the Mariners. Great stuff. All right, let me get these randos ready. There's a few of them, so please bear with me. Alright, so we got a few of these to go through. Definitely don't want anybody to miss out, so we'll go through them. Kind of one by one here. Alright, so we got some mirror image. They're all mirror images. Brendan McKay for the Rays. Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. See how many times we roll these. I'm just going to go one die. If we get one, we'll roll again. 5. Alright, 5 times. So go Rays and Dodgers. And it's 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Rays, take that one. We got the Rays and the Cubs for a McKay and a Rizzo. Three, 4, and 5 to the Rays. We got a Yelich and a Benintendi. So we got the Red Sox and the Marlins. 5 times. 3, 4, and 5. Red Sox. We got Joey Votto and Bellinger. So we got the Reds and the Dodgers. Dodgers, not with a D, and the Reds. 5 times on these guys. 2, 3, 4, 5. Dodgers. Taking that one. Next up, Sano and Kevin Mayton. Kevin Mayton for the Braves. So we got Braves, Don's Braves, and the Twins. 5 times. 3, 4, and 5. Twins are taking that one. Correa and Lewis. So we got the Astros and the Twins. Astros and Twins. We got 5 times. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Twins. And 2 left. Lindor and Rosario. So we got the Mets and we got the Indians. 5 times. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mets. Last one. Robles and Pollock. So we got the Nationals and the Diamondbacks. Nationals and Diamondbacks. 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Diamondbacks. All right. That's everything. That will do it for break number 14. Bowman's Best 4-box. Check out the next one. It's up now on eBay, ending tonight, Monday, the 22nd. Thanks, everybody.